dying down. You know. Yesterday, our women used to be very vibrant, cultivating all manner of crops, cultivating tomato, cultivating pepper, onion, all forms of vegetables. They were cassava. And the main constituent produced cultivating yam. All these were being exported to the north some 20 years ago. But today, we are importing most of these things from the north, including fermented cassava. You should go to Ogbete market. The women present are waiting for lorries to arrive from the north, carrying all these food systems with them by themselves. The most painful was that in my community, some of the women engaged in selling cooked cassava. Cooked cassava, which the men people come and buy, go home, make soup and eat. Where did they get the cassava? They now buy bags of fermented cassava brought from the north. They go and cook. This is how bad it has become. So with this kind of situation,